G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. I don't even know what I'm doing today. Just got the bacon, eggs, gonna cook up a big feed. The rest of the family actually left and they're heading up north, up to Kalbarri. So about 650 k's from where we're based here. Unfortunately for me, I wasn't able to go with them. As you guys know, I haven't been feeling too well and I've also got to go to work. So they're gonna head up there. My brother Jack, that you guys would have seen in previous episodes, is hoping to get some awesome footage and content for you guys. So hopefully we'll be able to play that. But he's chucked the kayak on the roof of the old Corolla and hopefully that holds up because it is quite a fair journey up north and it's meant to be pretty windy, so we'll see. But yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do today. I might head out in the boat and maybe get a feed of squid, or I think I'm meant to be going crabbing a bit later too, so I'll just take you guys with it. But for now, I'm just going to cook up, eat a nice big feed, and I'll bring you guys along with me. Hey buddy. There we are, first little one of the day. I decided to come out. It's been like 1 minute. I already got myself first little squid on the Yamashita. I think I always go Yamashita. The pink one just seems to work so well, except it's getting a little bit rough on the edges, but still work. Basically what I'm doing is just waiting for Dad. He's making his way down to the ramp now from down where he lives, and we're just going to meet up and go out and maybe, I don't know, try and catch a few squid, catch a few fish and cook them up on the beach and see where it goes. Put him to sleep with the old karate chop. Dead like that. Look at that, see? Actually just takes all the colour out of his skin. So what that's actually done is completely killed that squid now. So when he's sitting in the bucket of water, he doesn't sit there and, you know, I mean, you couldn't imagine it being pleasant sitting in a bucket of water all day. Man, so we finally made it out to the island. I went and picked Dad up, we punched out. The weather, it fully blew up. It's so bad right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but in this little cove, it's actually pretty nice. And we've got a little protected spot, so we're just gonna cook up. On the way out, we actually stopped for about one drift, half a drift even, and Dad ended up pulling up a squid. I'll roll on that footage now. It is blowing a storm right now. There you go. On the old King George squid chick. Beautiful. I think Dad just, I don't know what he's doing, he's working along the reef over there. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed. Where's a good spot? Let's go over here. Look at that, built for it. Far out. Yeah, boy. Best part of the day. Not too bad. Perfect size eating. So for those of you who watch who don't know how to clean a squid, I'm going to show you. So basically I just start with pulling out the head, take as much guts as you can from out of it, and you can keep that for later because you can use a bit of it. I'll show you in a sec. Next bit is you just want to get your fingers underneath the wings here, and most of it should just peel off. You can get both sides, and as you can see the skin actually comes with it as well. So you end up with a bit like that, and you can actually eat that as well. So we'll keep that as well, only because we only got two, so we may as well make use of it. Or you can use it for bait. You don't know what else to do. Next thing you want to do is get your finger or thumb and find the point, and actually, if you can manage to find it, slippery bugger. And you just put it like that, and then push your finger inside. Man, the flies are annoying. And slowly push it out, and it'll actually turn inside out. That way you can turn it inside out, and you'll actually find the feather, which is the backbone, which is like a plastic-like material that the squid actually have in there, and you can take that out, and then all the rest of the guts and everything come out as well, and you can just take that to the water and clean it off. There you go. Here we are, the kitchen, where all the magic happens. We're just going to slice these into rings. It's just the best way to do it, easiest way to cook, usually cook pretty evenly. So we actually forgot anything to coat it in, like breadcrumbs or even oil, but Dad's just come up with an absolute genius idea to get the old kettle chili chips. I think it's jalapeno and red chili, and we're just gonna get this squid here. It's not cooked just yet. And we're just gonna pour them all in, and surely that's gotta be good. God. Could sell this for $1 million, I reckon. Here we go, the final product. Oh, stop it. Stop it. I think I gotta get the drone up. Man, I'm starving right now. We've got wraps as well for this, and I think we got Kewpie sauce, do we?
Yeah, we got Kewpie.
And we got Kewpie sauce. Doesn't get much better than that.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
That turned out pretty good, I reckon. Dad's already munched into his while I was flying the drone, you probably saw. That bird's eye view just does not get old at all. Bit of that like so, and then the old Kewpie. Secret sauce if you're a YBS fan. I think it's Japanese mayo, the technical term for it, but does not get better than this. Look at the view. Man, Dad and I have literally been walking around this spot for the last hour, and somehow, look at this, there is a wobbegong just hiding in there. He is so camouflaged. That is so cool. Look at his little eyes.
You say you waited for hours, you know I'll see you tomorrow. You say your last goodbyes, I never take what you say from the bottle. Looking sideways, but how am I the one to blame when you're distorting picture? Calling my name. Looking sideways, but how am I the one?
Man, that is so cool. That's actually the third one I've seen. I saw one over at Moreton Island on the east coast in Queensland. I saw one the other day out the back of Garden Island, and obviously there's this one here. From what I've heard, they actually can be quite territorial and aggressive, but that one just there, and all the rest of them that I've seen, they let you get pretty close, and they seem to be pretty chill. They're like little puppy dogs, really, but yeah, you just want to keep your distance. It's obviously nature, so you can't completely unpredictable. Anyway, we're going to head home now. We're going to punch through this. It is absolutely terrible right now. The wind's up about 30 k's an hour, and we're just in the old little 24.2. Oh man, we have got one heck of a punch back. Oh, I'm not keen at all.